Do you fancy the chance to access a free affiliate marketing system that pays lifetime commissions? Imagine a system that has the power to unlock automatic commissions for life. And the best part? It doesn't require any product, website, selling, or even tech skills. This is the intriguing potential of affiliate marketing. If you're just stepping into this realm, let's break it down a bit. Affiliate marketing is a method where you promote other people's or companies' tech products and earn a commission when those products are purchased through your recommendation. Our unique system takes this concept to the next level. It's not just about making commissions. It's about making them automatically, continually, and for life. It's about making daily commissions just by sharing one link. The rest, handled by the system itself. Imagine having a system that works in the background, continually earning you commissions. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Now you might be wondering, how does this system work? Well, let's dive right into that. This ingenious system is designed with an intuitive simplicity that shatters the traditional barriers of affiliate marketing. It's a system that doesn't require you to have a product, to set up a website, to engage in selling, or even to possess any technical skills. Imagine having a tool that does all the heavy lifting for you. A tool that's designed to be so user-friendly, it feels like you're playing a game, yet behind the scenes, it's working tirelessly to generate income for you. Now, focus on this key feature. Sharing just one link. That's right, just one link. This isn't about flooding your social media with links and praying someone clicks. No, this is about sharing a single potent link that has the power to open up a world of financial opportunities. Once you share this link, the system springs into action. It's like a well-oiled machine, perfectly calibrated for one purpose, to generate automatic commissions for you. This link is your golden ticket, your passport to a realm where making money becomes as easy as breathing. The system doesn't just stop at that. It continues to work behind the scenes, following up with your leads and nurturing them with live training. It's like having a personal assistant who never sleeps, constantly ensuring that your leads are engaged, informed, and ready to make a purchase. And here's the cherry on top. You earn lifetime commissions on all your leads' purchases. That's right. Every single purchase they make, even those high-ticket items that pay out five-figure commissions, you get a piece of that pie. With this system, you literally have the ability to earn money while you sleep. It's as simple as sharing a link. It's like tapping into a river of wealth that flows directly into your bank account. So, are you ready to unlock this potential? To step into a world where making money is not just possible, but predictable and consistent. Let's move on to the next scene and discover the power of automation. But what happens after you share that link? That's where the magic happens. Let's delve a bit deeper into the world of automation. You see, this isn't just about sharing a link and hoping for the best. This system is designed to serve, support, and simplify your journey to earning commissions. Imagine this. You share the link, someone clicks on it, and they're intrigued, but they're not ready to jump in just yet. They have questions, they need more information, perhaps a little nudge. This is where the system steps in. It automatically follows up with these leads, sending them relevant information, answering their queries, guiding them every step of the way. But it doesn't stop there. The system also provides live training to your leads. It's like having a personal coach whispering words of wisdom, sharing industry secrets, and providing insights into the world of affiliate marketing. This not only boosts your leads' confidence, but also increases their chances of making a purchase. You might be wondering, do I have to set all of this up? The answer is no. The system is designed to be as hands-off as possible. It takes care of everything, from following up with leads to providing live training. All you have to do is share the link. The rest is taken care of automatically. Now think about how much time and effort you'd save. No more chasing leads, no more answering the same questions over and over, no more late-night calls trying to explain the ins and outs of affiliate marketing. It's all done for you. And while you're enjoying your newfound free time, the system is working around the clock, nurturing your leads and paving the way for those sweet commissions to roll in. Automation doesn't just make this process more efficient, it makes it more effective. It allows you to reach more people, to connect with them on a deeper level, and ultimately to earn more commissions. This system doesn't just make your life easier, it makes your wallet heavier. We've talked about how easy it is to earn commissions, but what if I told you that these commissions are for life? That's right, we're not talking about one-time payments here. We're talking about a continuous stream of income that keeps flowing month after month, year after year, for as long as your leads are active. This is the magic of lifetime commissions. Now let's break this down a bit. When we say lifetime commissions, we're talking about earning a percentage of every purchase that your leads make for the entire duration of their activity. This includes not just small, regular purchases, but also high-ticket items. These are the big, expensive purchases that can earn you commissions in the range of 4 to 5 figures. Imagine waking up one morning to find out you've earned a 5-figure commission overnight. It's like hitting the jackpot, except it's not based on luck, but on the power of lifetime commissions. Imagine this scenario. You've been sharing your one magic link diligently and have built up a sizable number of leads. These leads are now buying products and services regularly, and with every purchase they make, you get a piece of the pie. And the best part? You don't have to do anything extra. The system takes care of everything for you. It nurtures your leads, it follows up with them, it even provides live training to help them make the most of their purchases. All you have to do is sit back and watch your earnings grow. What's more, with lifetime commissions, you're not just building an income stream, you're building a financial legacy. The commissions keep coming, regardless of what you're doing. You could be sleeping, vacationing, or even working on a completely different project, and your commissions would still be accumulating. It's like having a money tree that keeps bearing fruit, no matter the season. With this system, every lead you generate can become a source of income for life. Who wouldn't want that? By now, you must be eager to get started with this revolutionary system. It's understandable, considering the opportunities it offers. Picture this: a system that pays lifetime commissions, requires no product, no website, no selling, and no tech skills. A system that does all the heavy lifting for you, from follow-ups to nurturing leads with live training. Imagine earning daily commissions by sharing just one link and having the system work tirelessly for you on autopilot. Think about the potential of earning not just small commissions, but also 5-figure payouts from high-ticket products. Getting started is as easy as pie. There's no complicated setup or steep learning curve. Just one link to share, and you're on your way to regular paydays. Don't wait. Start your journey towards financial freedom today. Learn more by clicking on the link below this video.